Man, this year of Lexan's going so well. Dang it. Welcome back to the Skilled Builders Guild. Thanks again for watching. Today we're taking a first look, run, and review of the new Traxxas VXL Fiesta rally car. And here it is right here. It looks awesome. I have always been a fan of this Fiesta body as a rally car. I think it looks amazing. This is the orange, blue, purple, gunmetal, and white livery. I think it looks really good. They've done a nice job of screen printing this. It's a very detailed graphics kit, and it looks really good now that it doesn't have body posts on it. That's right. One of the first updates Traxxas did with their Fiesta rally car is change it over to a clipless body system. And this one's a little bit different from all the others. Instead of under the wheel wells, which it's a little bit difficult to get at, it's under here. Come hither, milady. Where are they? Oh, there they are. This is a pretty nice clipless body system, and it does a really good job of keeping the body in place. It's got these nice big heavy duty plastic pieces here on the body, which keeps a lot of rigidity in there. Let's flip it around and get the other two off. There we go. Excellent. Nice strong middle section there to really kind of keep everything in place. You can see it's quite rigid that way. But that's not the most interesting part of this. This is, of course, now a Traxxas slash chassis, low CG chassis conversion kit with a VXL 3S Valineon system. That's a 3500 kV brushless motor with a 3S capable ESC and a lot of heavy duty parts. These are the HD blue parts to help keep everything in place. And you can see they did not skimp on those parts either. The caster blocks, the steering blocks, drive shafts, the center drive shaft is a nice aluminum piece. Suspension arms, those are all the HD parts. So you're getting the heavy duty, much more rugged parts already included from the factory. Nice updates there. Definitely makes this a lot more robust than even the BL2S version, because it needs to be. The 3S system in this, with the upgraded pinion, can get you up to a probable top speed of 60 miles per hour. This also does include the TSM system, so Traxxas Stability Management, all operable from your TQI radio. This one does have the Traxxas Link capability. It's not included in this model, but you are able to adjust your TSM settings so you get more or less help depending on what your preferred setup is. Obviously, I'm a big fan of the Traxxas slash lineup. These are excellent bashers. And what I love about the rally cars, it just changes everything, right? It's a lot less suspension travel, as you can see there. You can still see there is a lot of nice plush suspension travel there, but it's not as much as a standard slash. I know I've got one around here somewhere. Hang on. They've sent me two orange ones now. But as you can see, slightly higher. And a substantial more amount of travel. So despite being the same DNA, you can tell they really spent a lot of time to set up the rally car to actually function like a rally car, which I'm very happy to see. Okay, let's get this slash out of the way. Of course, if it's blue, it means it's waterproof, so you do get a waterproof servo here, waterproof ESC, waterproof sealed brushless motor, and waterproof drive shaft. Also included nice big foam front bumper here. You're going to need it because this is very low to the ground, and your chances of hitting an obstacle, such as a curb, greatly increase with a rally car over a traditional slash. It is so satisfying. You can see it's still got body posts here. These body posts are really designed to mate with these posts inside the body just to help keep it stable and rigid and in the place it's supposed to be. It's a nice, pretty easy fit. Nice satisfying click. And there you go, rally car. It looks good, in my opinion, from every angle. This car is so cool. I think they chose a really good model. The Fiesta, while not a big car in real life, really works as a rally car. I know that they are used in actual rallies, probably not current rallies. I'm sure there are other cars they're using. I think the Puma is one of them. But it just really does sell the look of a rally car. The scale not even going to begin to guess. It's probably closer to like a 8th or 7th scale car, just because of the way the body sits and the way they had to proportion everything. But it is kind of familiar in terms of the sizing to the old Kyosho DRX VEs, which were excellent rally cars as well. Final thing to mention, wheels and tires. It is like a 2.2, 3.0 style. Nice blocky setup. They actually do look really good. And there's a nice plush foam in there, so it's going to have a bit more grip, but it is certainly a harder compound tire, just meant for longevity and controlled four-wheel drive drifts, because there's going to be a lot of those. One other note on this nice hard Lexan shell, there is a nice big plastic, this is a hard plastic rear wing here. It has a very nice aerodynamic look to it, and while I don't know how functional it is, it certainly looks the part. I like this car a lot. I think it looks really good. I have this weird affinity to rally cars, and I can't really explain it. I've got a bunch of rally kits upstairs. It's nice to have a rally RTR ready to go here. It's just one of those sports that, while I don't have a vested interest in, I always get a real kick out of watching them drive. I think they look fantastic, and there's a lot of nostalgia around rally, and I think that's why this appeals to me so much. If you are interested in picking one up, I will of course put links down below where you can get one. If I were to choose one between the BL2S and this new VXL version, you've got to choose the VXL one. The higher top speed, more S's, and just a much more vibrant driving experience. Plus TSM. So a little bit of everything in there. All those HD parts certainly won't hurt either. All right, let's get it outside and have some fun.
It's a sign of the time, though chasing nickels and dimes. Our minds weaponized with the ammunition. Crash hard like a wrecking ball. Like 007 till the sky falls. I can feel the adrenaline. I own the medicine. If you in the room, I'll be the elephant. Oh, we'll cut the blue or the red wire. Oh, here come the fire. Tick, 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 boom. We're dangerous. Out for blood, yeah, we're treacherous. Tick, boom. We're dangerous. When the gates can't measure us. Tick, boom. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, 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 boom. No shock that the power be tripping. No stopping the man on a mission. Now we level the field, play the hand of the deal. With a genesis, only the beginning. Some call us reckless and some call us bold. We steal the wolves and we cracking the code. Short fuse when we detonate, we hit it to annihilate. A dirty bomb blast at the gates. Oh, we'll cut the blue or the red wire. Oh, here come the fire. Tick, 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 boom. We're dangerous. Out for blood, yeah, we're treacherous. Tick, boom. Tick, boom. We're dangerous. When the gates can't measure us. Tick, boom. Tick, boom. Tick, 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 boom. Tick, 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 boom. All the adrenaline is my only medicine. So put me to rock if you, I'ma keep rocking you. So bury the renegade, total annihilate, explode and disintegrate. It's time to detonate. Tick, 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 boom. We're dangerous. Out for blood, yeah, we're treacherous. Tick, boom. We're dangerous. When the gates can't measure us. Tick, boom. Tick, 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 boom.
What draws you to a rally car? Put a comment down below. You know I love reading through your feedback and I try to answer as many of them as I can. And of course, if you're enjoying this video and you like seeing reviews of cars and trucks, hit the like button. Most of you have already subscribed and I cannot thank you enough for that. My thanks to Traxxas for sending this my way, and of course to you for watching me make this video for you. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.